Pythagoras Theorem. Today we will learn Pythagoras slowly and clearly. If this topic confused you before, don't worry. When we do Pythagoras, we use some rules. So first rule is it should be always right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree while finding a missing side. Let us see the formula now. So Pythagoras theorem, the formula is a square plus b square equal to c square. Okay. Now you have a right angle triangle. You know this is 90 degree. So you are going to use your Pythagoras theorem. If it is not 90 degree, you will not use your Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And now you're going to label it. So the longest side, can you see this is the longest side? So longest side is always opposite to 90 degree. So this is the longest side. You are going to label it as a longest side. Okay. And now these two sides, they are shortest sides. We say as shortest side. And this is also shortest side. Okay. And now you will label it. We are going to label it according to formula. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. And Pythagoras says it is always square. So you will say A square, B square, C square. And then you get the formula. So your formula like A square plus B square equal to C square. Okay, so this way you're going to use your Pythagoras theorem formula. Let us solve the example. So this is your right angle triangle. Label them. This is A, this is B, and this is C. They said one side is 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. Other side is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. And your question is find the hypotenuse. So you need to find the hypotenuse. Okay. So let us go with the formula. A square plus B square equal to C square. Your A is 3. You are going to write 3 square plus B is 4. So you will say 4 square equal C square. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square 16 and this makes 25. Okay, and now you have the C square here. Now we need to remove the square. So what's the opposite of square? Opposite of square is square root. You will say square root of 25 and square root of 25 will be 5. So this is your final answer. Pause the video and try this before I solve it. So your question is triangle EFG is right angled at EFG is 12, FG is 5, find EG. So let us label it first. So this is E, F, G. Okay, it's a right angle triangle. So F is angle. Now they say EF is 12. Now this length EF is 12 centimeter. FG is 5 centimeter. We need to find EG. So we are looking for EG. Alright. Now as we have seen the formula, so we are going to use the Pythagoras formula. So this will be A, this will be B side, and this will be C. Okay. A and B are always connected to the perpendicular. They will always connected to the perpendicular, and hypotenuse, the long side, is always called C. Let us write the formula now. A square plus B square equal to C square. Now what is A? A is 12. Write 12 square plus B 5 square equal to C. We don't know C, so you're going to just write C square. Use a calculator and find 12 square. So 12 times 12 will be 144 plus 5 square. So 5 times 5, 25 equals C square. Add them. Use a column method. So 144 plus 25. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1. Yeah. So this is 169 equal to C square. Now we need to get rid of square. So opposite of square is square root. Do the square root on both the sides. Square root of 169 equal to C. And the square root of 169 is 13. 13 equal to C. Okay, so C is 13. Now be careful, they have asked you answer in EG. So you're going to mention it very clearly. EG equal to 13 centimeters. So this is your final answer. Exam tips. Always show working. So you have to show all your working, all your formula, and whatever you're getting on your calculator, you have to show all that working. Identify the longest side first. You need to find the longest side first, that is hypotenuse. So you in Pythagoras, you should know where is your longest side. Okay. Use Pythagoras theorem formula, and you need to use a Pythagoras theorem formula. A square plus B square equal to C square. C is hypotenuse. And don't rush. Be calm, no pressure, and do your answers. Next video. Today we have seen how to find the hypotenuse side. Now next video will be on how to find other missing side. So when one side is given to you, hypotenuse is given to you, how to find the other missing side. See you soon.